to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to be notified for my future uploads. So today's video is all about the new Sephora Vivid Earth eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love the packaging of the palette. It is so, how do you say, literally sucked me in to get the palette because of the packaging. This is a very brownish neutral kind of a palette. I do have to say one thing about the palette. When I actually opened it up for the very first time, my reaction was why I say that is because I find like the eyeshadow pans are actually very small, and all these gaps in between the eyeshadow palette could be utilized and make the eyeshadow pan actually a little bit bigger so they have more quantity of the eyeshadow. But nevertheless, the shades are actually really beautiful. So this palette actually contains 14 different eyeshadow shades and one eye primer, which is right here. This long beauty right here. Let me come closer so you guys can see. It's literally an eye primer, guys. So in this 14 different shades, you only have 3 metallic eyeshadows, and the metallic eyeshadows names are Resource, Creation and Extract. The rest are all metallic shades. So I'm definitely going to explain to you guys how this primer actually works on the eye, and then we'll move on to creating the eye look. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started right now. So what I did was I did my foundation, my concealer. So I set the rest of my face with loose powder and just left out my eyes. So I set my eyelids with this eye primer. So I've been like sitting with this makeup on my face like for almost like 1.5 hours, and I do not see any creases at all. It feels extremely smooth. That's really nice. This small little tiny powder sets my concealer and it actually doesn't crease. Amazing. So the first shade I'm gonna go ahead and pick up is called Sand. It's not gonna give me much color. It's because it's a very soft light shade, and because I'm medium skin, it's not going to actually show up that much. I always like to go from the lighter shade to the darker shade. Sometimes it doesn't make sense, but it does make sense when it comes to the blending white. The next shade I'm going to pick up is called Terra, and also apply that and blend it in together with Sand. And then going in with the shade called Craft right over here. So I'm just going to put this shade, which is called Craft, at the outer crease area and just blend it in. I'm not actually going to waste time. I'm actually going to pick up Terra and Natural mixed. Tap out the excess, and I'm going to blend this at the lower lash line. So as you can see at the corner of my face here, there is a bunch of fallout, but it doesn't really bother me. Eyeshadow fallout has never ever bothered me at all, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm using the NYX Eyeshadow Base, and the reason why I love this eyeshadow base to actually cut my crease, not only it gives me the coverage to carve out my crease area, it also gives me the perfect base to set another eyeshadow. Why I say that? So I have a lot of experience actually using concealer to actually cut my crease and then set another eyeshadow on top. But I realized that when it comes to certain concealers, it tends to actually crease throughout the day. You're going to wear your eyeshadow on your face for quite some time because of the concealer and the formula and stuff like that, and if you have like a little bit like oily eyelids, it tends to crease. That's why I always prefer to use eyeshadow base. I'm going to go ahead and pick up Extracts, and I'm going to place that in the outer and the inner corner of my eyes, leaving the center empty, guys. And then I'll be going in with this shade called Resource and applying that to the center of the lid, mixing it together with Extract to blend everything out and actually finish up this look. I'm picking up the shade called Ebony and deepening up the edges of the eye. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up Fundamental right here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Okay, so I'm done with the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, if you guys are wondering what eyelashes that I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing the Lilly lashes in the shade Luxe, guys. One of my favorite eyelashes. Alright, moving on to highlighter, I'll be going in with the new Milani highlighter that I bought. It's the Afterglow Strobelight in the shade 01. I am kind of in love with it. I love the way how it just blends and melts into the skin. Can you see how beautiful that is? It can be a little bit too much. If you're medium skin, gotta go a little bit a light hand is because because this is more to like a silvery type of a highlighter. You gotta be a little bit careful. I just like dabbing and drizzling my face with a little bit of highlighter here and there. And I'm gonna use this same highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyes to brighten up the eyes. So for my lips, I'm also going to use Milani Bold Matte Lipstick. These two shades today, which is 10 I Am Confident. And this shade is going to give me a nice beautiful outline of my lips. And then I'll go in with 01 I Am Fabulous just to fill up the gaps. And the mixture of these two lipsticks is just amazing, guys. I love the combination of it. It is just absolutely beautiful, guys. I really love the combination. Oh, like literally deceased by this combination, guys. To set my entire face, I'll be going in with the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. This is a 24 karat gold infused to hydrate plus prime and set your makeup. So you can actually use these to hydrate and prime your skin before makeup and set your makeup after you have done your makeup. So basically we are done, guys. I threw on some accessories. So my overall thoughts about the Vivid Earth collection, I love the packaging. I really find that they could have done better with the pen sizing and the quantity of the individual eyeshadow shades. They could have expanded it a little bit. And the formula is so easy to blend with. It doesn't leave you like having like all those funny patches. It blends together really well. So for me, I find that this palette is kind of interesting. You can actually mix and match different colors to create different looks on your eyelids. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this palette. If you guys want to follow me in my social medias, go ahead and follow me in Instagram or in Twitter. I prefer you guys to follow me in Instagram because I post a lot of personal things, a lot of makeup videos, a lot of skincare videos in Instagram as well. Go ahead and follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to keep updated in my future uploads. Mwah. Bye guys.